More agentic capabilities,
An AI agent,
agentic workflows,
Agents.
agentic.
Imagine a world where AI doesn't just follow your commands, but thinks and acts on its own to achieve your goals. Welcome to the future of AI, agentic AI. Over 60% of businesses have already started using AI agents. AI agents are expected to be a US $1 trillion business in the next 5 years. Learning about AI agents is the most important decision you can make today. We at Edgewonix are excited to introduce the No-Code AI Agents for Business and Marketing Training Program. This comprehensive course empowers you to build and deploy AI agents without writing a single line of code. This course is perfect for small business owners, entrepreneurs, marketers, sales professionals, freelancers, content creators, tech enthusiasts, and early career professionals. We cover real business use cases, focus on building actual agents that allow you to implement your ideas, teach you how to leverage automation skills, and are taught by real automation experts. You'll master tools like Wordware.ai, Zapier, N8N, and a dozen more tools to create AI agents. Our curriculum is divided into 3 tiers. The first one is Marketing AI Agents. In this tier, you will learn to build 5 AI agents. One of the AI agents you will build includes a complete ad campaign manager, which is a multi-agent system for running digital ads. You will be able to generate ad copy and images, launch A/B tests on Facebook or Google Ads, and analyze the campaign results daily, automatically shifting budget away from poor-performing ads to the winners. Other projects include Social Media Post Generator, Automated Email Responder, Influencer Scout, and Content Creation Assistant. The next is Business AI Agents Pack. This tier also contains 5 unique AI agents for business owners and entrepreneurs. One of the projects you will build includes an inventory management agent that checks your inventory and notifies you automatically. You will also build a customer service chatbot agent to handle all your customer queries. Other projects includes Resume Shortlisting, Lead Management Agent, and Smart Meeting Scheduler. The final one is the Ultimate Professional Agents Pack work on advanced projects like competition analysis, automatic order booking, feedback analysis, voice-powered customer service, and research agents. Learn to set up complex AI systems, integrate voice capabilities, create intricate workflows, launch voice-driven solutions, and build valuable business resources. Join us in revolutionizing how businesses operate. Back our Kickstarter campaign today and be among the first to master the art of building AI agents without code. Together we'll unlock the full potential of AI for your business and marketing needs.
We have over 50 plus successful Kickstarter campaigns with a 100% success and delivery rate. With over 10 plus years of online learning pedigree, we guarantee assured success each and every time. Join 3 million learners and trusted backers from around the globe for a premium upskilling experience. But hurry, don't miss out on the early bird offer. Pledge now.